So guys, today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to open up a demo account or a live account on your MetaTrader 4 app. So first things first, go to MetaTrader 4. It's going to bring you to this main page here with all these different options. What you want to do is go to the top and click New Account. Once you do that, it's going to give you two options here. Open a demo account or log into an existing account. So if you want a demo, obviously click on Open a Demo Account. It's going to bring you to this page here. Go to the search bar, and this is where you guys can type in the broker that you want your demo to be from. So you could do Osprey, KOT, Hugo's Way, anything like that. For example, I'm just going to do Hugo's Way. Type in Hugo's Way, click on it. It's going to bring me to here. It's going to give me my personal information and then my account information. For the account information part, I would leave the leverage at 1 in 500, and then the deposit I would switch to either 3,000 or 5,000. I'm just going to do 3,000, so it's more realistic. Click on that, and then go to the top right and click Register. It's going to give you your login, your password, and your investor. I would just take a screenshot of this so you guys don't lose it. And then once you're done with that, click Done. And it's going to bring you to the main page here, guys, with all your pairs. So in the beginning, it doesn't give you a whole lot of pairs. It gives you like 8 of them. So I would just go to the cross up top here, and then click FX crosses. And this is where you guys can add all your other Forex pairs. Add them all real quick. There we go, just click Done. And now look guys, I have all these pairs I could trade from. So for example, if I wanted to trade this, I would hold on to it. It gives me these options here guys. Trade, chart, and details. If I want to trade, obviously click Trade. And here I can type in my stop loss, my take profit. Typically I usually do around 30 pips. And then I could either sell or buy guys. And then here is where I would type in my lot size. So if I wanted, I could do a 0.10. And that would be $1 per pip, and then I could do buy. And now I'm in this trade guys, so now I just wait. If I wanted to take my profits or modify or anything like that, I would just go to this. If I wanted to close out, I could close it, and I can lose 50 cents right now. Could modify, could type in my stop loss, my take profit, click on it again, click on the chart, all these different options here guys. So that's as simple as that for the demo account. So for your live account, it's basically the same exact concept. Go back to this main screen here. You would click on New Account. Instead of open a demo account, you do log into an existing account. So by this point, guys, I'm assuming you guys already have went through your broker, you signed up, and you have money on your wallet on your broker. So once you guys have all that, say for example, I went through Osprey. I would click Osprey Live. And then here guys is where you would type in the login and the password from the email they should send you. They should give you your login, your password, and everything like that. I'll pop a picture on the screen right now of what that looks like when they email you. So there's that guys. And then all you have to do once that's done, once you type in everything, you just click sign in and you'd be in your live account. Literally as simple as that. I hope this video helped everyone, and let me know in the comments if it did, and I'll see you guys in the next one.